Think you need six-figure salary to build wealth? Think again. Even with a low income, you can actually build wealth very fast. In this video, I will share with you how to achieve this step by step. So the first strategy is to cut out unnecessary expenses. Trim the fat from your budget. How do you do this? Track your expenses on a monthly basis so that you can identify what you actually spend on. Okay? Cut out unnecessary or unused subscriptions. Your gym membership, Amazon Prime, Netflix, if you rarely use this, cut them off. Okay? Also, look for cheaper alternatives. Brew your coffee at home. Cut eating out. Actually, dining at home, preparing your own meal is healthier than eating out. Okay? So with this, you are able to cut out unnecessary expenses. And I'll give you an example. Let's assume John earns $3,000 a month. And after following this advice, you realize you actually spend about $200 on wasteful expenditure. And you are also able to track $80 to unused subscriptions. That's about $280 saved in a month. In a year, that's $3,360 that you can save and invest instead of wasting that amount. Okay? So by tracking your expenses, cutting out unnecessary expenditure, unnecessary expenses, you'll be able to save more money that you can invest. Another strategy is actually to boost your income, the power of multiple streams of income. That you earn a low salary doesn't mean you can earn more. Side hustles and skill building can increase your earning power. And how do you do this? Freelance skills abound. Video editing, coding, graphic designs are ways you can improve your income. Learn these skills and then you can start working today. There are companies, individuals looking for qualified candidates that can provide these skills. So learn these skills and begin to earn money. Okay. Another thing you can do is high-paying certifications. Google IT support, data analytics. If you have all these skills, there are multiple opportunities out there to actually support your income. And I give you an example. So let's say Mike works 9 to 5 and earns about $40,000 a year. If you take any of these high-paying certifications and maybe within about 6-month period, you're qualified, you have the requisite skills, you can begin to earn as much as $1,500 in additional income every month. Now multiply this by 12, that's about $18,000 to your 9 to 5 job. Add this and then you have more money to invest and to build wealth. The third strategy is to invest smartly, even with small amounts. So even investing $50 a month can turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. And how do you do this? Invest in index funds, ETFs, for instance, S&P 500, they are low risk and they give you high returns. Also, you want to invest in dividend paying stocks to improve your cash flow. Let's look at this example. So if John invests $100 on a monthly basis in S&P 500 that averages 10% annual return, in 30 years, John's investment would be worth over $200,000 just by making these small, consistent monthly contributions. The fourth strategy is to leverage high interest accounts. Banks rarely pay any decent interest. So the strategy is to look for high yield savings accounts. High yield savings accounts that pay between 4 to 5% return annually instead of 0.01% from a bank. You can invest in treasury bills, you can invest in bonds. These investments pay higher than your savings account. Also, you can invest in real estate with as low as 500. There are real estate crowdfunding opportunities available. You can invest as low as $500. Now, let's look at this example. Jessica kept $10,000 in a savings account and decides to switch to a high yield savings account that pays 4% per annum. At the end of the year, Jessica would have earned $400 instead of $1. This is an additional amount that you can invest to grow your wealth. The last strategy I want to share with you is to avoid common pitfalls, the biggest money trap escape. Now, many people lose money due to bad financial habit. Biggest wealth killers include lifestyle inflation. So many people, when they earn more money, the first thing they do is to change their lifestyle. No, what you should do actually is to change your savings and investment style. Then your investment style can then change your lifestyle. Okay? Next, you want to pay more than the minimum amount on your credit card or on your mortgage. This will help you to reduce the interest burden. And over time, you don't pay more than you owe. You're actually able to reduce your interest burden. So if you do this, you have more money available for you to invest and grow your wealth. Now, I hope you understand these 5 strategies, that you actually don't need 6-figure salary to grow wealth. Now, let me know which of these strategies you want to begin to apply today. Share with me in the comment section and consider subscribing.